Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to mirror objects. So as example, I will insert the objects. We use the default objects. And if you want to mirror these objects, you can use the selection tools, select the object and go to the top bar. You can see the mirror tools, click, and the next I will click from this point, move to the right, it will be mirror the object. If you want to mirror copy the object, you can click on drop down menu and then choose the mirror copy. So I will click again in the top here, move to the right, and then you can click to mirror the copy. Okay, you can select these two objects. I will use mirror copy from left to the top and then click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to mirror copy object.